Hello everyone, welcome to the class of Health and Physical Education, Unit 2 Olympic Value Education. And today's topic which we are going to learn, that is modern Olympics. In the last topic we have learned related to the ancient Olympics. We have learned the history of ancient Olympics, rules and regulations of the ancient Olympics, how it was been organized during that time period. And today we are going to learn related to the modern Olympics. Let's see with the history of the modern Olympic. So modern Olympic was being initiated by Pierre Baron de Coubertin of France. He was born in Paris on 1st January 1862. Actually, Baron de Coubertin, his family wanted that he should join the army, but he has decided to go for the political science. And he came to know about the national and international problems. And these national and international problems could only be solved through the Olympic Games. So he has taken the initiation to start the modern Olympic Games, which was been ancient, which was being held in the year 776 BC. The same was being started again in the year 1896. So it was not until 1892 that the young French Baron Pierre de Coubertin seriously proposed reviving the Olympic as a major international competition that would occur every 4 years. He has decided that these modern Olympics were being organized every 4 years. At the conference of the international sports in Paris in June 1894, there was a conference which was being held in Paris. The same I have taken again, I have revived again. We are going to learn further. Coubertin again raised the idea, and the 79 delegates from the 9 countries unanimously approved his proposal. 79 delegates, 9 countries has approved that we are agreed, we are going to in a support of this modern Olympics. So the International Olympic Committee, that is IOC, was being formed, and the first game was being planned for 1896 in Athens, the capital of Greece. In the Greece it was being planned. Further, we are having that meeting was being held of 13 countries on 16th June 1894. Again the same thing. Meeting was being held of among the 13 countries on 16 June 1894 in Paris, in which 75 representatives that we have was been given as in 79 delegates participated. So 75 representatives participated after much endeavor, after lots of hard work, and the Coubertin succeeded in getting the worldwide support, and the first modern Olympic game were held in Athens 1896. With the help of the support of the 9 countries, they have decided, and the first modern Olympic was being held in Athens. And in the first modern Olympics, how many countries has participated? Only 9 countries participated, and this number has been increased up to 122 countries in the year 1972 in Olympic Games, which was being held in Munich, that is Germany. So here you can see that how many countries has been participated and how many countries meeting was being held. 13 countries meeting was held, and 9 countries has only participated, and this number has been increases. Now this number of the countries in this time period, in this 20th century, there are more than 150 in the year 1972. So Olympic motto is which has been comprised of 3 Latin words, that is CTS, RTS and Fortius. These are the Latin words, which means CTS means faster, RTS means higher, and Fortius means stronger. CTS means faster, again RTS means higher, and Fortius means stronger. So this was the Olympic motto, and this motto was being coined. This was being written or designed by a French educator, Father Didon, in the year 1895. It was been given. This motto was been given by the Father Didon in the year 1895. Now we are going to learn related to the Olympic flag. The Olympic flag was being created in the year 1913 at the suggestion of Baron de Coubertin, because he decided that the Olympic flag must be there, and it was being created in the year 1913. 1913 it was being created, but it was being inaugurated in Paris in June 1914. In the year 1914, June 1914, it was been inaugurated. Then it was been hoisted for the first time in the Antwerp Olympic game that was being held in year 1920. So when it was the question was being when the question used to be asked that when was this Olympic flag was being hoisted for the first time. So Olympic flag was being hoisted in the year 1920, and when it was being created, then it is in the year 1913, and when it was being inaugurated, that is in the year 1914. So this flag is made up of white silk and contains five interlocking rings or circles you can see in the flag, representing five continents of the world, that is America, Europe, Australia, Asia, and Africa. Shown by the colors, being shown by the different colors. These rings are being shown. These continents are being indicating the different colors are being indicated by the different colors indicates the continents of the world, and interlocking rings circles symbolize cooperation and friendship. So this you can see in the picture, see that which ring represents which continent. So we are having blue color, black, red, yellow and green. Blue represent Europe, black for Africa, America for red, Asia for yellow, and Australia for green. So such types of questions can be asked in the test or exams, that represent the blue ring indicates which continent. So you need to write down that it represent Europe. So you need to remind this. So today till Olympic flag only we are going to learn. Then in the next we are going to learn related to the Olympic flame. We are going to learn related to the award ceremony, opening ceremony and closing ceremony in the next video. Thank you.